In this video, we're going to unbox and take a look at the design and features of one of the newest phones you can get from Apple, the iPhone 13 Pro. The packaging is small and there aren't many items inside except for a USB cord and a key to open your SIM card slot. It was easy to set up the phone, it only took a few minutes and it was going. This phone is definitely expensive, but is it worth it? One of the most notable features is the Super Retina XDR 460 ppi pixel density screen. The depth and clarity can't be understated. If you're a photographer or producer like myself, this can be helpful to be sure you're viewing content at its fullest potential without distortions. Comparing this phone to my Xperia, it's a bit thicker, but the edge-to-edge screen is noticeably larger than the Sony. All these iPhones are IP68 water resistant. The main difference between the iPhone 13 and the Pro model is that the Pro has ProMotion screen, 6x zoom, built-in LiDAR scanner, and also it has the fastest chip ever put into an iPhone or any phone, the 5-core GPU A15 Bionic chip. Everything else is mostly the same except the Pro weighs a little bit more with a better battery. Then when you move up to the Pro Max, the battery life increases by almost 25%, and the screen increases from 6.1 inches to 6.7 inches. For me, this is a bit large, so I settled on the Pro model. Another great feature that the iPhone 13 Pro and the iPhone 13 Pro Max have exclusively is 1TB storage, which is amazing to use when you're working with these higher quality video recording formats. But would I recommend this phone? So far, my experience with iPhones in general has been pretty well. They're lightning fast, and I see more straightforwardness and transparency when it comes to privacy. I still think there's a lot of issues there, but I think it's a better choice in terms of privacy and security if you're using the phone correctly. Some of this video is just my opinion, so you may or may not agree or have the same preferences, but I do hope the review can at least help you when you're making your purchases. I also did a review on the iPhone 13 mini on my channel. If you're thinking about that phone, go ahead and check it out. You can click on my channel name and browse the content. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate y'all. Subscribe for more and drop a like if the video helped you.